In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Turkhan crossing reopens for the return of Afghan refugees. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the foreign minister, has received the chairman of the Chamber of Commerce. And the approval of a controversial new execution law targeting Palestinians by Israel. Welcome to our 10 news package. It's Tuesday, the 13th of Shawwal al-Mu'azzam, 1447, the 11th of Hamal, 1405, and 31st of March, 2026. The news details. Mawlavi Sadiqullah Qureshi, the head of information and the Directorate of Information and Culture in Nangarhar province, has announced that Turkhan boarding crossing has been reopened for the return of Afghan refugees. He further added that the staff from all relevant committees at Omeri camp in Turkhan are fully prepared to provide necessary services to the returning Afghan nationals. The chairman of the Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Sayyid Karim Hashemi, held a meeting with Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Based on the Chamber discussions, focus on challenges facing private sector, facilitating trade processes, and strengthening cooperation to expand economic relations with regional and international partners. The news continuation. Unidentified individuals have reportedly blown up a major gas pipeline in Kuwait. Pakistani media reported that the main gas pipeline belonging to Southern Gas Company SSGC was targeted in the attack. The explosion has disrupted gas supply in Kuwait and several cities in northern Balochistan. And ultimately, Israeli Parliament, Knesset, has passed a controversial and widely criticized law allowing military courts to impose the death penalty on Palestinians convicted of killing Israelis. The law, however, doesn't apply to Israeli Jews accused of killing Palestinians. In accordance with Al Jazeera, the legislation approved by 62 members of the Knesset, including the Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, is set to come into force within 30 days. Simultaneously, several countries, the European Union's human rights organizations, and groups including Hamas have condemned the measures, describing it as a violation of international law. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.